Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be changing the spark plugs in this VX Commodore. Now the process is the same for just about every other car, so sit back and relax. So we start by opening the bonnet. So in this particular car we have 6 spark plugs, 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. It's very important that you get the correct spark plugs for your car, so make sure you check your owner's manual or look online. So now we have to take these leads off. I like to start with the most difficult one first because every one after that will be easier. So in this case I'll be starting back here. So now we pull off the leads that connect to the spark plugs. And there's the tip of our spark plug there. You will have to use a deep socket to get the spark plugs out. In my case, I need a 16mm. Now it's just as simple as putting the socket on and undoing it. For some reason that one was super tight and I had to use 2 hands. Spark plugs do not need to be that tight. Look at how bad the old one is compared to the new one. That's why sometimes you need to replace spark plugs. Another good idea is to compare the two side by side before you replace them, just to make sure it's definitely the right one. You really don't want your piston meeting your spark plug. Now it really is as simple as just screwing this new one in. I like to give it a little nip up, and that's all it needs. There's no reason to go any tighter. And at this point we put the lead back on. And that's it. And now we move to the next one. And there's all the old ones out. As you can see, these ones were way overdue. I hope you enjoyed my video. Hopefully you learned something new.